Assemble the bracket first. Screw the bracket to the top of the instrument. Connection ports on the left and right sides of the instrument. Connect the handles in sequence according to the markings above. Place the attached handles into the bracket in turn. Put it into the holder correctly to avoid dropping and damaging the handle. There are 3 bottles in front of the instrument, corresponding to bottle BC. Press to remove the bottle and remove the connector. Screw the connector onto the matching solution. Attach the mounted solution bottle to the machine. Hear the D sound of the installation in place. Instrument D bottle behind the instrument. Rotate the bottle to remove it and fill it with pure water. Connect the power supply and turn on the power switch. Rotate and screw the tip onto the handle. Tap the switch on the screen or the button on the handle. Turn the knob in the center of the instrument. Select the label of the solution to be used. Rotate the water output to the maximum first. Suction rotated to minimum, waiting for water to flow in the operating head. Adjust the water output to the right amount. Adjust the suction power to the appropriate level. Test the suction power on your wrist before starting the operation. To select the D bottle pure water operation, you need to light up the screen H2O2. Fill a small bottle with purified or extracted water. Water bottle facing up, above the handle. Tap the switch on the screen or the button on the handle. During operation, the small bottle is on top to spray water mist. Tap the switch on the screen. You need to touch your thumb and forefinger to the metal piece on the handle. It's the handle that works, keeping the skin moist. Move the spatula head down against the skin slowly. Tap the switch on the screen. Apply the serum to the area of application, working in a circular motion. It can be tested on the handle to see if it works. Apply gel RF cream to the operation site. Tap the switch on the screen. Operate in slow, even circles or slowly moving lifts. Tap the switch on the screen or the button on the handle. Apply gel or serum to the operated area, working in circular motions. You can intensify on areas of redness or severe pores. Strap can be removed when not in use. Tap the switch on the screen. Tap Color to toggle the color selection. Tap Flash to cycle through 7 colors of light. Can be used in conjunction with a mask.